Welcome to News Movement English. I am your host, Ohona, presenting you today's news headlines. Rajasthan Police Lathi Charge NSUI members protesting against NEET UG irregularities. Earthquake of magnitude 3.0 felt in Kerala's Thrissur. Light wind and rain exposed the administrative officials of West Bengal. Kulti turned into a dark city. Non-political person Kavi Datta made ADDA chairman in place of former chairman Taposh Banerjee after Lok Sabha polls. Allegation of lifting sand using machine in Damodar. This news is sponsored by RICIS institutions. As per reports from Sanjeevan Gop, there is a ban on sand mining in Damodar. Use of filters is also not allowed, but a private company is breaking the rules and taking out sand from the river through pipes, allegedly using filters. The incident of sand mining is seen on the border of East Bardhaman and Bankura. Additional District Commissioner Vivek Dattareya Bhasme said, "I have received information about the matter. Investigation has started." That organization is accused of digging 30 to 40 feet of sand in Damodar using dangerous equipment in Tashuli Moza of Petrasayar block of Shaila Lagoa, Bankura district of Galsi 1 block. Later that sand is filtered, loaded on trucks and smuggled to many cities of the state including Kolkata. There is a fear that the way the sand is being lifted using machine installed on boats, the groundwater level may fall and tube wells may get clogged. There may be also a problem with the drinking water. There is also a danger that occurs. The course of the river will change. Recently, the Mines and Minerals Corporation has banned the use of sieves in Damodar. There is also a ban on lifting sand with pipes or machine. Despite this, the company is reportedly using the machines and filters during the day. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। तो कहाँ है मछलियाँ और कहाँ रखा जाए पानी? तो एक्वेरियम ही में छुपी है ये सारी कहानी। आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, जहाँ आपको मिलेंगी हर तरह की मछलियाँ और बेहतरीन एक्वेरियम। आपको आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम में मिल जाएंगी हर तरह के एक्वेरियम इक्विपमेंट जैसे फिल्टर स्टोन और फिशेस की हर वैरायटी। एक ही नाम, आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, BNR मोड़ अपोजिट रविंद्र भवन, शॉप नंबर 22। For contact, call on 9609 77 3040.
Non-political person Kavi Datta made ADDA chairman in place of former chairman Taposh Banerjee after Lok Sabha polls. This part of the news piece is sponsored by TVS PSG. As per reports from Wasim Khan, Asansol Durgapur businessman and ADDA vice chairman Kavi Datta has been appointed chairman of Durgapur Development Authority. Perhaps this is the first time that a non-political person has been given this important responsibility. There is a wave of happiness among the businessmen of Shilpanchal after making Kavi Datta the chairman. It is noteworthy that Raniganj MLA Taposh Banerjee was the chairman of ADDA. The blame for Lok Sabha elections fell on Tapas Banerjee. Whose number is next? The Urbanization Department of the state government announced the decision through a notice. At the same time, information has been given that Kabi Datta, Vice President of Asansol Durgapur Development Council, will occupy the post vacated by Tapas. Mr. Datta is a big businessman of Asansol Durgapur. He has hotels and many other businesses, but various speculations have started in the local political circle looking for the reason why the Raniganj MLA was removed from the post. Tapas got good results in Raniganj Assembly, but Trinamool Congress did not get good results in Asansol North and Asansol South Assembly. Perhaps this is why the top leadership of Trinamool is angry with Tapas in charge of Asansol Durgapur Development Council. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
स्कूल ट्यूशन के लिए कहीं और मत ही जाओ।
जॉर्ज एकेडमी जाओ, क्योंकि जॉर्ज एकेडमी सिर्फ ट्यूशन सेंटर नहीं है। यहाँ पढ़ाई है, पिकनिक है, फन है और एनुअल इवेंट्स भी है। और हम यहाँ बोर नहीं होते हैं।
साथ साथ हमारे मार्क्स भी इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं और हमारे सारे स्कूल के टॉपर्स भी यही हैं।
इतना ही नहीं, यहाँ संस्कार भी मिलता है।
तो फिर ट्यूशन नहीं, जॉर्ज एकेडमी जाओ।
Light wind and rain exposed the administrative officials of West Bengal. Kulti turned into a dark city. This news piece is sponsored by Hillview Hospital. As per reports from Lali Gupta, light wind and rain exposed the administrative officials of West Bengal on 12 June 2023. The situation in Kulti area was such that electric wires broke at various places, due to which there were no queues in the police station and PSC, and there was darkness at many places. Let us hear what leaders of Congress say.
हम लोगों ने अभी यहाँ के ऑफिसर्स को एक कंप्लेंट दिया है, लिखित में एक शिकायत दर्ज कराई है। आप लोग को पता है जिस तरीके से अभी बारिश का शुरुआत हुआ है, बारिश का शुरुआत होते ही पश्चिम बंगाल की जो सरकार है ना, उनकी पोल खुल गई है। चारों तरफ अंधेरा, चारों तरफ हाहाकार। PHE में लाइन का सप्लाई नहीं है, पुलिस स्टेशन में लाइन नहीं है, यहाँ तक कि हमारे यहाँ का जो सबसे बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, जो हमारे यहाँ का प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर है रानी बंगला, जिसके नाम से हम लोग जानते हैं, वो हेल्थ सेंटर में परसों से लाइन नहीं है। कल रात में शायद लाइन आई है। वहाँ पे इन्वर्टर का सुविधा होगा, वहाँ पे जनरेटर तक का सुविधा दिया गया है गवर्नमेंट से, लेकिन वहाँ पे तेल नहीं है। इस चलते में वहाँ के जितने भी पेशेंट हैं, उस सभी पेशेंट को मेरे इन्फॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से सभी को हटा दिया गया, सभी को भगा दिया गया कि लाइन नहीं है, आप लोग सब अपने अपने घर चले जाओ। इस तरीके का जो दुर्व्यवहार सामने आया है, और उससे भी ज्यादा चिंता का जो विषय है, जिसको लेकर मैं अभी पुलिस स्टेशन में आया हूँ और जिनको लेकर अभी मैं कंप्लेंट दर्ज कराया हूँ, कि वहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से, मेरे जो जानकारी में है, कि वहाँ पर उल्टी के तमाम बच्चों का, जो माँ और बच्चों का जो वैक्सीनेशन होता है, उसके जो वैक्सीन है वो अभी भी हॉस्पिटल के अंदर है। और मेरे पास जो अभी इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है कि अभी भी वहाँ पर जो खराब वैक्सीन है, क्योंकि वो वैक्सीन को 0 से लेके 8 डिग्री टेम्परेचर तक को मेंटेन करना होता है। जब आपके पास लाइन नहीं, आपने जनरेटर को चालू किया नहीं, उसके बाद भी वो वैक्सीन उसी हॉस्पिटल में था या नहीं था, ये पुलिस को मैंने इंक्वायरी करने के लिए बोला है। और अगर था और वही वैक्सीनेशन आज से शुरू हुआ है, वही दवा को अगर वैक्सीनेट किया जा रहा है, अगर इसके बाद कोई भी तरीके का बच्चे के साथ, यहाँ के कुल्टी के तमाम बच्चों के साथ अगर जिंदगी से खेला गया, और अगर उनको कोई भी तरह का कोई परिणाम, उनको दुष्परिणाम अगर आपके सामने वाले दिनों में आता है, तो इसके लिए पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थाना का होगा, उसके लिए पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ाकर के पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर के तमाम डॉक्टर्स का होगा। क्योंकि ये जो बड़ी चीजें हैं, अभी उनको आज वैक्सीनेट नहीं करना था, उन दवाओं का उनको जांच करना था, वो वैक्सीन सही है या नहीं है, लेकिन आज से ही उन्होंने वैक्सीन चालू कर दिया। हॉस्पिटल में एम्बुलेंस नहीं है, हॉस्पिटल में जनरेटर होते हुए, आप सोच के देखिए, जनरेटर होते हुए कल कुछ घंटे पहले जब मैं वीडियो लाइव चला रहा था, उस समय से पहले ही हमारे वहाँ पे एक डायरिया का पेशेंट आता है, वो डायरिया का पेशेंट को वहाँ से भगा दिया जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल में लाइन नहीं। दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है कि हमारे यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें होती हैं, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ जो इमरजेंसी सुविधाएं हैं, जो गरीब का चीज है, जिसपे गरीब का अधिकार है, उसे नजरअंदाज किया जाता है। और तमाम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, वो सब आज आंख और कान मुंह बंद करके बैठे हुए हैं। मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे पुलिस स्टेशन को और पुलिस ने एक शिकायत दर्ज कराई है, उन तमाम चीजों की जांच हो। और क्योंकि ये विषय इतना गंभीर है, क्योंकि ये यहाँ के आने वाले भविष्य, यहाँ के बच्चों और यहाँ की जो माएँ हैं, उनकी सुरक्षा का विषय है। इसलिए हम लोगों ने एक एप्लीकेशन दिया है यहाँ पे, और इनकी जांच का विषय हम लोगों ने इन पर जांच करने को कहा है। और अभी हम लोग फिर से यहाँ डीएम ऑफिस में भी जा रहे हैं, हम लोग हेल्थ सेंटर में भी जा रहे हैं इसका कंप्लेन करने के लिए, और क्या सिचुएशन है इसे हम लोग अभी देखेंगे।
Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Priya Cosmetic near Minar Cake Shop, GT Road, Asansol 1.
আমাদের শপের নাম আসানসোল প্রিয়া কসমেটিক্স। আমাদের শপ হচ্ছে মিনার কেক শপের ভেতরে। আমাদের শপে সমস্ত রকমের কসমেটিক্স প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, যেমন মেবলিন, কালার বার, সুগার, ল্যাকমি, প্লাম, লোটাস, এছাড়াও সমস্ত রকম প্রফেশনাল প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে। আর আমাদের দেখুন নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এখানে, এই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারেন। আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারি প্রোভাইড করা হয়।
Our contact number 9563404288 and 8918940868.
Blood donation camp held at Asansol railway station. This news piece is sponsored by ASP. In celebration of World Blood Donors Day, a successful blood donation camp was held at Asansol railway station, organized by the Health and Family Welfare Department at the Blood Center of Divisional Railway Hospital. The event saw active staff participation, collecting 23 units of blood. Certificates were given to the donors. Shri Chetnanand Singh, Divisional Railway Manager, donated blood alongside other officials, promoting the importance of donation. This camp supports the healthcare system and community addressing blood shortages. Blood donation benefits include stimulating new blood cell production and reducing heart disease risk, fostering a sense of community and altruism. Stay tuned for more news after the break. Diversion of trains due to power and traffic block in Shialda division over Eastern Railway. This news piece is sponsored by Shine Academy. Traffic block in connection with bridge maintenance work at bridge number 2 CCR on UP line between Damdam Junction and Baranagar stations, and in both up-down suburban line between Damdam Junction and Belgharia stations has been planned on 15 to 16th June 2024. Consequently, following arrangements in train running have been made as under: diversion of mail or express trains on 15/6/2024, diverted via Damdam Junction Naihati Bandel instead of Damdam Junction to Dankuni. 13165 Kolkata Sitamarhi Express 12987 Shialda to Ajmer Express, diverted via Naihati Bandel instead of Dankuni. 03187 Shialda Jayanagar Special. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Divisional Railway Manager inspected RRI and yard at Asansol. This news piece is sponsored by Angel Vidya Mandir. Chetnanand Singh, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol, Division of Eastern Railway, conducted a comprehensive inspection of the route relay interlocking system and the yard at Asansol. This visit underscores the commitment of Asansol Division to ensuring optimal operational efficiency and safety within the railway infrastructure. During the inspection, Shri Singh reviewed the functionality of RRI system, a critical component for the safe and efficient management of train movements. He also evaluated the current state of the yard facilities, emphasizing the importance of maintaining high standards to support smooth rail operations. Shri Singh interacted with the on-ground staff, addressing their concerns and appreciating their efforts in maintaining the railway infrastructure. This proactive engagement highlights the division's dedication to enhance the service reliability and passenger safety. Nominated branch officers and senior supervisors were also present in the inspection program. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Rekha Matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
Earthquake of magnitude 3.0 felt in Kerala's Thrissur. This news is sponsored by B&M Coaching Center. A mild earthquake of 3.0 magnitude on Richter scale struck parts of Thrissur and Palakkad districts of Kerala on Saturday, June 15, 2024, official sources said. The National Center for Seismology reported that an earthquake of 3.0 magnitude was recorded in the region at 8:15 am. No damage has been reported so far, but there is panic. People came out of their houses when tremors were felt. Stay tuned for more news after the break. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the NTA on a plea seeking a CBI investigation into alleged malpractices in the NEET UG 2024 exam. The hearing has been posted to July 8. This news piece is sponsored by Infocom. As per reports from Santraj Prasad, the National Testing Agency (NTA) was directed to file a response within 2 weeks. Other respondents were given time until July 8, the next date of hearing. The council pressed that petitions were seeking a CBI investigations into the alleged paper leak, to which Justice Nath observed that the NTA's response on the same was necessary before any other order was passed. In response, the council highlighted that the petitioners were seeking other imminent reliefs as well, such as NTA furnishing details of the entire examination pertaining to every candidate before counselling began in July. It's the future of 24 lakh students, he urged. We understand that we are conscious of all that, remarked Justice Nath before saying that all arguments shall be raised on 8th July. The court today heard 7 writ petitions in the NEET case. One of the petitions filed by 2 NEET UG candidates also raised allegations of exam center manipulation in the exam. Stay tuned for more news after the break. Rajasthan Police lathicharge NSCUA members protesting against NEET UG irregularities. As the controversy surrounding NEET UG results 2024 deepens, student organizations in the country staged protests against the irregularities in the medical examination results. After the protest by the All India Democratic Students Organization in Kolkata on Thursday, the National Students Union of India also staged a protest against the NEET UG irregularities in Rajasthan today. However, the police lathicharged the NSCUI members in Rajasthan's Kota who were protesting and demanding that medical examination be cancelled. On Thursday, the members of AIDSO protested in West Bengal and marched towards the Bikash Bhavan situated in Kolkata, carrying placards in their hands. In an attempt to disperse the protesters, the police intervened and attempted to persuade them to call off the protest. However, when the protesters insisted on proceeding their march, the police detained several demonstrators, taking them away in vehicles. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge claimed the PM Modi-led government had began covering up the NEET scam through Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and the National Testing Agency. Now finally, it's time for the SMS of the moment. Every little smile can touch somebody's heart. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness.
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830.